Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore a deleted database in Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Websites section and find the site linked to the database you want to restore. Click Manage to access its settings. Scroll down to the Files section and select Backups. Here, you'll see a list of backups organized by date. Choose a backup created before the database was deleted. This ensures you restore the correct version of your data. After selecting the backup, go to the Databases tab. Look for the deleted database in the list, then click Restore next to it. If you want to review the data before restoring, you can download the backup first. This lets you inspect or even restore it manually if needed. Once you click Restore, confirm the action, and Hostinger will begin the process. When the restoration is complete, you'll receive a notification and your website should be back online with the recovered database. So, that's basically how you can restore a deleted database in Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.